Hi guys, I'm Irav Montano, founder and owner of Montano Training Systems. I'm a strength and conditioning coach. Just come on here quickly to give an honest and truthful review of the Target Light by Red Light Rising. Easy process to do. What I do is, whether I'm doing emails or watching TV or catching up with things, or doing guided breathing, I sit in front of this light and, for me, someone who's had nagging shoulder injuries and had surgery on my right shoulder, I cannot express how much it has helped me, be pain-free. And like I said, experience little to no inflammation. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this red light. Is a game changer. So well reasonably priced, this Target light. No reason not to start. Like I said, decreased inflammation, better sleep, increased REM and deep sleep especially. Cannot go wrong. So, guys, I highly recommend it. Anyone that's worked with me in the past knows that I would not give or recommend anything to my guys and girls that I would not do or use myself. So I highly recommend it.